students, next most important part of this chapter, alcohols, phenols and ether, is preparation of alcohols. So from alcohols, monohydric alcohols are prepared by this method. Monohydric alcohols which are prepared, first method is there, that is from alkyl halide. From alkyl halide. So already you studied this method in halogen derivatives of alkanes. So alkyl halides are of three types: primary, secondary and tertiary alkyl halides. Now first we will see about the primary alkyl halides. So if we take an example of primary alkyl halide, that is RX. General formula for alkyl halide is RX. It may be primary or secondary. When it is treated with, so alkyl halide is called as a substrate. This is the substrate. Substrate is either primary or secondary. When it is treated with a reagent, that is aqueous strong nucleophile containing reagent, that is aqueous KOH, either aqueous KOH or aqueous NaOH is used. What is meant by aqueous? So KOH dissolved in water, that is a aqueous solution of KOH. NaOH, that is a caustic soda dissolved in water, that solution is nothing but the aqueous NaOH. Or maybe here moist silver oxide is used. So moist silver oxide, it behaves as a AgOH. So moist Ag2 silver oxide, and which gives or behaves as a AgOH. So it is these are the reagents. So these are reagents. Any one of them is used at a time. So when any alkyl halide is treated with this is the substrate. Alkyl halide is the substrate. It may be either primary or secondary. When treated with the reagent like aqueous KOH, aqueous NaOH or moist silver oxide, it gives or behaves as AgOH, means it supply silver hydroxide AgOH. Then what happen when the reaction proceed? After heating, hydrolysis takes place. So it undergoes hydrolysis after boiling and it gives. So here this X is the weak nucleophile is replaced by this strong nucleophile OH. So this is nucleophilic substitution reaction and we get X is replaced by OH. So what is the product? ROH is nothing but alcohol. So here we get alcohol and the byproduct is, so byproduct, what is byproduct? NaX, KX or AgX, depends on which reagent is used, either KX or NaX or AgX. So this is about the byproduct which is formed during this reaction. So what happened? See, if the primary or secondary alkyl halide is used, then which type of substitution nucleophilic reaction takes place? So SN1 or SN2. So if the substrate is primary or secondary, then mostly it undergoes which type of substitution reaction? SN2 reaction mechanism, means one step reaction. This is one step reaction and directly this halogen X is replaced by the OH. So this is about the first type of reaction, that is alkyl halide, either primary or secondary, when undergoes reaction with strong nucleophile containing reagent, that is aqueous KOH, aqueous NaOH or moist silver oxide, then it gives its corresponding alcohols. Okay. Now, if the alkyl halide may be, if alkyl halide, that is Rx, either tertiary or secondary is also there. So, secondary shows both a type of substitution nucleophilic reactions. So, if we take tertiary alkyl halide, when it is treated with aqueous KOH, NaOH or AgOH. Sometimes here water is also used as a protic acid. So, water when it breaks form the ions H plus and OH minus. So, it is also called as a polar protic acid. It is also called polar protic acid. So, this is also enough or gives the reaction or complete the reaction by the replacement of X by the OH. So, water supply this OH minus, which is supplied by the aqueous KOH, NaOH or AgOH, and this polar protic acid also useful to complete this reaction when alkyl halide must be tertiary. If the alkyl halide is tertiary, then only this polar protic acid, that is water, is play a role as a reagent. So, which is a reagent here and which is the substrate? So, alkyl halide is a reagent, substrate. Alkyl halide is a substrate and this polar protic acid, water or reagent, water or aqueous KOH, NaOH acts as a reagents. Now, when the reaction takes place, what happens? It undergoes hydrolysis. After boiling, it gives what we get the product? X is replaced by OH. So, substitution takes place by nucleophile. So, nucleophilic substitution reaction, and the byproduct is KX, NaX, or which is used as a in the reagent, that is the byproduct. So, you must complete the reaction in board examination, otherwise you will not get the marks. If the reaction is balanced, then only you will get 1 mark for the correct reaction. Okay. Now see here, if alkyl halide is tertiary, then it undergoes which type of SN reaction? Tertiary alkyl halides mostly undergoes SN1 reaction, means it follow 2-step reaction mechanism, and in first step it forms stable carbocation. So, stable carbocation is formed, and then it is further treated with OH nucleophile and which gives the further corresponding alcohol. Okay. So, this is 2-step reaction, and you already studied this reaction mechanism in halogen derivatives. Okay. So, if you want to revise it, then you see the halogen derivative part, that is SN1 SN2 reaction mechanism reaction. Now, if the secondary, now you observe here in SN2 reaction there is a secondary alkyl halide is there, as well as in SN1 mechanism secondary alkyl halide is there. So, how this secondary alkyl halide undergoes SN1 as well as SN2 reaction, or when this reaction is proceed. So, when this secondary alkyl halide Rx, when it is secondary, then if the strong nucleophile is there like aqueous KOH, NaOH, then it proceed SN2 reaction, 1-step reaction, and when it is treated with a reagent like water, that is a polar protic acid, then it follows 2-step reaction mechanism, that is SN1 reaction. So, it is most important, and keep it in mind, secondary alkyl halides undergoes two types or shows a two type reaction mechanism, either SN1 or SN2 reaction mechanism. Depends on which reagent is used, strong OH or a weak OH, that is nucleophile is strong, then it proceed SN2 reaction mechanism. If the nucleophile is weak, then it follow the SN1 reaction mechanism. Now we'll take the examples. If we take example of primary alkyl halide, that is CH3Br, methyl bromide, when treated with aqueous KOH. Now you tell me what happens after boiling. It undergoes hydrolysis and it gives, what is the product? This Br is replaced by OH and the reaction is proceed. So CH3Br replaced by OH plus, what is the byproduct? KBr. Okay, so this is about the preparation of alcohols from alkyl halide. If we take one more example, CH3, 2 carbon containing alkyl halide, CH3CH2Cl. What is the name of this alkyl halide? 2 carbon containing chlorine derivative. So what is its common and IUPAC name? What is its common name? Ethyl chloride. Okay, this is ethyl chloride, as well as IUPAC name is chloroethane. When it is treated with aqueous NaOH or aqueous KOH, or we can use metallic hydroxide like AgOH, then it gives, again it undergoes hydrolysis. After boiling, it gives, what do we get the product? So Cl is replaced by OH, this Cl is replaced by the OH. So weak nucleophile, that is replaced by the strong nucleophile. By which reaction mechanism? So primary alkyl halides are favor which SN1 or SN2 mechanism. So it proceed or it follow the SN2 reaction mechanism. So we get the product. Finally, what do we get the product? 2 carbon containing alcohol with the byproduct, that is NaCl. Okay, so this is NaCl is the byproduct. If we take one more example, that is 4 carbon containing. If we take example of CH3CH2Cl. So when it is treated with aqueous KOH, aqueous NaOH or moist silver oxide, so what is the product? Complete the reaction. It undergoes a hydrolysis. After boiling, what do we get the product? This Cl is replaced by the OH and we get finally this one step reaction, SN2 reaction mechanism takes place and we get this alkyl group as it is CH3 CH3CH2OH plus byproduct is, what is byproduct? KCl. Okay, so this is the KCl is the byproduct. So if you observe these 3 examples, then every time this, what is the functional group of this alkyl halide? Which type of examples of these alkyl halides? Alkyl halides are which type? These primary alkyl halides. These all are primary alkyl halide. Here this is CH2Cl, CH2Cl in CH3Br, that is we can write it as a HCH2Br. So CH2X is the functional group of primary alkyl halide and we get its corresponding which type of alcohol? Primary alcohol. What is the meaning of primary alcohol? The carbon to which OH group is attached, which is directly attached to other only one carbonate. Okay, so that's why these are examples of primary alkyl halide converted into primary alcohol, and these all are monohydric alcohols because they contain only one OH group containing alcohols. Now if we take a secondary alcohol, example of secondary alcohol. So 3 carbons required to get the secondary alcohol. Okay, so we can take second example of secondary alcohol. So CH3, CH, Br or Cl, any halide is there, CH3. To the secondary carbon atom, Cl is attached, so its name is secondary propyl chloride or isopropyl chloride. When it is treated with strong aqueous KOH, undergoes hydrolysis, and it shows which type of reaction mechanism. It proceed the SN2 reaction mechanism, and it gives, what is the product? Cl is replaced by OH, and the remaining alkyl group is as it is, and what is the byproduct? KCl. So secondary alkyl halide when treated with aqueous KOH, that is strong nucleophile containing reagent, then it gives secondary alcohol, corresponding secondary alcohol, and it shows which reaction mechanism, that is SN2 reaction mechanism. But same reaction takes place with polar protic acid, that is H2O. Then this also gives the, in the first step it gives stable carbocation, and in the middle step, first step, and then in the second step it gives the same product, that is secondary alcohol, but it proceed which reaction mechanism? SN1 reaction mechanism. So secondary alkyl halides either follow the SN1 or SN2 reaction mechanism, and it depends on the which reagent, that is strong nucleophile is there, then it follow the SN2 reaction mechanism. Weak nucleophile is there, then it follow the SN1 reaction mechanism, two-step reaction mechanism. Okay. Now in first this primary alcohol, this all alkyl halide when treated with strong nucleophiles, so they follow which reaction mechanism? All they follow primary alkyl halide, always shows SN2 reaction mechanism. Okay. Now let's see the next type of alkyl halide, that is tertiary alkyl halide. Okay. So tertiary alkyl halide, if we take an example of tertiary alkyl halide, that is CH3, CCH3, and to which here chlorine, bromine or iodine is attached. If we take a 4 carbon containing alkyl halide, that is tertiary butyl, this is a tertiary butyl chloride. When treated with tertiary, this is the tertiary alkyl halide, and which shows the which type of reaction mechanism? SN1 reaction mechanism, means two-step reaction. In the first step it forms its carbocations intermediate, and further it gives its corresponding tertiary alcohol. Okay. So you know the detailed mechanism in halogen derivative. So when it is treated with, here polar protic acid also enough to show this or complete this reaction. Either polar protic acid, that is polar solvent H2O, then the reaction takes place. So tertiary alkyl group as it is, tertiary butyl group as it is, and Cl is replaced by OH plus byproduct is there, this HCl. Okay. So here which reaction mechanism is favorable for this nucleophilic substitution reaction? That is the SN1 reaction mechanism. Okay. So this is the SN1 reaction mechanism favorable for tertiary alkyl halide. Okay. So this is the first method for the production of alcohols from alkyl halide. If the alkyl halides are primary, secondary, tertiary alkyl halide, that is Rx plus reagent like aqueous KOH or aqueous NaOH or moist silver oxide, it behaves as AgOH. So what is the reaction of this moist silver oxide? That is Ag2O. When combined with moisture, that is water, it gives water. Breakdown of water takes place like this way, and this O and H combine like this way. 2 Ag atoms combine with 2 OH atoms, that is we get twice AgOH, and this AgOH is take part in this reaction or supply strong nucleophile, and after completion of this reaction we get its corresponding alcohol plus the byproducts, that is AgX, KX or NaX, either KX, NaX or AgX. Okay.